Pulling the trigger sets off a precisely coordinated sequence inside the Glock. First, as you squeeze the trigger bar moves back and draws the firing pin into position. Then, a connector guides this bar downward, releasing the firing pin so it can strike the primer. The ignition produces expanding gases that propel the bullet out of the barrel. At the same time, recoil forces the slide backward. This movement unlocks the barrel as it tilts downward, allowing the extractor to remove the spent cartridge. Once fully extracted, the cartridge contacts the ejector, which forcefully expels it from the firearm. As the slide moves forward, its bottom rail strips a new round from the magazine, pushing it along the barrel's ramp and into the chamber, ready for the next shot. Additional internal mechanics ensure smooth operation. As the slide recedes, a hook on the connector is pushed inward, letting the trigger bar rise to retain the firing pin. Releasing the trigger resets the connector, setting the stage for the next cycle. The Glock also features 3 safety mechanisms. The trigger safety prevents the trigger from moving unless it's engaged. The firing pin safety stops the firing pin until the trigger bar lifts it, and the drop safety holds the trigger bar in place until it's cleared. This design guarantees that the Glock remains both efficient and secure in its operation.